The Air Jordan 1 Low Pearlized redefines elegance with a design that bridges legacy and luxury. Dressed in soft gray and purple hues, the women's exclusive reveals a shimmering, iridescent finish on the overlays, reminiscent of an oyster shell's interior. Even the outsole reflects this pearl-like glow, creating a cohesive visual story. Launching in late fall 2025, the sneaker also boasts quilted stitching on the heel, adding a layer of premium detail rarely seen on the silhouette. Long considered a blank canvas for storytelling, the Air Jordan 1 has hosted cultural voices from Queens Nigel Sylvester to Hiroshi Fujiwara in Japan. Now, with this pearlized edition, it channels elegance over edge. After 4 decades, the AJ1 remains a cultural cornerstone, constantly evolving while honoring its roots in both basketball and streetwear. This release highlights the model's ability to remain relevant, expressive, and versatile across generations and global fashion landscapes.